Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Bomu Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu na Oraifite, ma ọ bụ ịkpọ m Akajugo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afọ miri emi nụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission bụ na onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị ji wee bịakwa bụ ihe bụ ihe anyị kwuru maka yesterday maka ndị egere ya enwere need ya anyị ji repeat ya bụ dreams and liberation. Nlọ ya na ihe mkpughe. I'm here to tell you na enwere ọtụtụ ihe dị iche iche n'ụzọ dị iche iche eji ekpughere ndị mmadụ ihe from time immemorial. You can get liberation via dreams. You can get liberation via astral travel or soul travel. You can get liberation by clairvoyance and clairaudience. You can get liberation by intuition, perception. You can get liberation through astral movement, or it makes like too real. Yes, something like you are sleeping mulanya. That thing dreams is to ability for you, your real self, the spirit in you, to be able to extract information from the other divide, the great beyond. Either 10 megoreme, or 10 name now currently, or ihe ka ga-eme n'iru. So it's very important for somebody to have this spirit of knowing how things work and standing in the spiritual realm. Ihe ndị a ka anyị ga-edeba anya. So ọ bụrụ na n'ihi na-esoela anyị, tag your friends ka ha nọ from the horse's mouth. Today's lecture is very unique. Achọrọ m itiwa aka oyibo nsogbe. But before we dive into today's lecture proper, important announcement. We are in the month of December, last month of the year. Our group ritual for the month is still ongoing. We started group ritual over 4 years now. We have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we are not showing it here. But I can tell you na Chukwu na-emere onwe ya ha. And then nwere ike iso na aja a na-achụ n'igwe ebe ọ bụla ị nọ na nsọtụ ụwa dum. Distance abụrụ ebere ya. N'isi ụtụtụ ejego ma temple chụọ aja gọọ ọfọ kwubi okwu n'isi ndị sonyere anyị all over the world. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission, and consecrated group. It's like I say me. Ọnwa ọbụla. Ụbọchị ikpeazụ nke ọnwa anyị ga-eje na mmiri wuchi ihe ọnụ na-eji ekpe yiri ọma n'aha mmadụ dum bịa na temple chụọ aja to entities of powers. Jee n'ebe nchụ aja gbuo ebulu mee saraka. Nwanne chụwakwa aja maka na aja karịrị ọgwụ. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ iso na ya bụ aja, ihe ị ga-eme ewu. Echacha m na WhatsApp agwa gị other details we need for you in order to be. Yes. Then nke ọzọzi bụ echacha m na WhatsApp before forward ya 3 prayer requests anyị ga-edebe n'ọta na-achụ aja na-aga ọfọ na-ekwubi okwu n'isi ganye na ọnwa agwụ. So ọ bụrụ na ị dị interested, echacha m na WhatsApp. WhatsApp number ị ga-eji nweta mbụ bụ 0805 7837672. I repeat, 0805 7837672. Na ya na screen gị ga-afịa. Now let's dive into today's lecture proper. Yes. Dịka nsi akọwala gị na ihe gbasara dreams and liberation we are discussing today. I'm here to tell you that human being was given the privilege to be able to make the good use of the spiritual capacity. They can see in my previous lecture, human being has 2 brains, the back brain and the frontal brain. And the frontal brain is the intellectual brain, back brain is the spiritual brain. Now, why we normally go into soul travel or dreams, whatever they may call it, is when your spiritual you detach the spirit has the ability to travel, because spirits nothing can hinder spirit from traveling and they are moving astral movement. Your spirit has the ability to move into realms and kingdoms and realms in the entire universe. Ọ bụrụ na ngwa gị na in the water enwere kingdoms, nwere ike dị surprise. Ọ bụrụ na ngwa gị na move to the upper layer in the exterior world, na-enwere kingdoms and realms. Ọtụtụ n'ime ụlọ enweghị experience where maybe via sleep or via soul travel or astral travel, you find out that your guide, your spiritual guide, took you to maybe to the water. You understand fully well that you and your guide enter the water. But when you enter inside the water, you find out that you saw yourself in another kingdom, where that place is nothing like water there. So beautiful, beautiful houses and everything moves well. And at the end of that dream, you see your dream still bring you back to the world of living, and you still saw yourself coming out from the water. Yes. So some of you have entered, maybe your spiritual guide carried you with, and the two of you entered into one big tree. On entering that big tree, you get lost. Inside that big tree, you saw so many realms and kingdoms there. Or maybe you projected yourself beyond the Urubut. Yes, the crowd. Now, all these experiences, I know some of you have experienced it. So those things are things that are happening in the imaginary world, but they exist. I don't want to go into that area because it will confuse some of you that are still beginners in the ethereal knowledge now, or historic knowledge. But what I want to tell you now is this: all this liberation happens to strengthen man, and for man to know there were other worlds that exist. Now, the thing is that your spirit is only trapped here on earth because of this vessel, gross material body. This gross material body is gross material, and anything gross material has beginning and end. In this gross material substance known as body is what trapped the spirit. So there is this radiation from the body and radiation from the spirit that bound the spirit and the body as one. That is the reason why you are alive. You live in the land of the living. For any reason, that magnetic radiation that is forming both the spirit you and the physical you together as one person, if for any reason, out of sickness, out of old age, or out of damage caused by accident, the physical you could not radiate enough magnetic radiation to magnetize the spiritual you, the spirit lives. When such a thing happens and the spirit lives, we human beings will call it death, or the person has passed on, meaning that the spirit that's made up the person have left the body. We call it death. So, but when you are asleep, or when you are privileged to go into astral travel, or to experience some certain worlds and kingdoms permitted by creation, what will happen is that you notice that you feel asleep, a kind of overall aburugi. That thing that happened, that is mystery. But that thing is for you to fall asleep so that you will be able to release the magnetic radiation that bonding the spirit you and the physical you together. When you are asleep, you will no longer radiate the enough current that to firm the spirit you. But if you have laptop, you put it in hibernating / sleep, as in a laptop there, no asleep, not a whole. What it means that if your battery will last longer, because some part of the laptop is asleep, like the screen and some other thing. The same way, if you are asleep now, your eyes is part of you, but your eyes will go sleep. That is why you're sleeping. And other organs on your body will no longer be working. Some that is working will be working at lowest vibration. Therefore, your body will radiate low current, and that low radiation is not enough to hold the spirit firm while in one place. So when such a thing happened, that's the reason of spirit a little bit gave the spirit opportunity to lift, and the spirit can use that opportunity to wander in the wonder world. Some of you is one of the things, your spirit, you still know that you are living in the land of living, but your spirit will be able to travel to other kingdoms and realms to extract information. And once he extracts those information, he passes through the antenna brain, the back brain. And once he passes through the black brain, then it will wire it to come to the frontal brain, which is the intellectual brain, for you to give it the earthly interpretation. So whenever you move into these realms and kingdoms, you will be able to grasp, be able to see those things you are seeing in those kingdoms and realms in pictures, so that you will be able to give them earthly meaning. So that if you see a duplex there, you will be able to recognize this is a duplex. So all this is what is given to man, so that man will be able to explore the entire universe. Now, and when you will be able to have these dreams, this faculty of getting liberation, whether dreams or other forms of movement, you will be knowledgeable, and that gift is given to man for a purpose. So that is one. So every human being is supposed to be having a way of getting information, whether it's through intuition, perception, through astral travel, through dreams, through liberation, and through other ways. The most important is that you are getting the update of what is happening in the other divide. Now, but when you notice that you are no longer getting those information, something is wrong. You hope that your spiritual channel and aura has been tampered with because of negative vibration. Negative vibration can come because of the type of friends you keep, because of the type of life you live, because of the way you mingle with people. I remember those days, my grandma, after coming back from market, she will now ask us to come and pour water for her to wash her hands. Because by so doing, you interact with so many people, you shake hands with so many people. So that is why, because negativity is transferable. Yes, a na-agba mmadụ nwere ike inweta ụtụ through sexual intercourse, through mingling, whining and dining, through handshake and everything. That is why even our Muslim brothers, and it's like that in ancient Igbo, a lot happened in the spiritual realm when they are asleep. Yes, one of them is Hamusu Nanlo. Oh, yeah, but Romunaya and then it is in an hatchery for them to prepare themselves. They wouldn't military on Buton, only how to happen on, wouldn't consider the wind target and anti, I wear the pure. I do one order, and my baggy he was in email, or the Barabo, he get you anywhere when they had to chew on. Only had about sea salt, only had a body get to pepper, only had about pure honey. Pure honey contains the purest beings, and the beings will mock up. So, Obuna Niso Nandi Nasi Nahano Tege Posere, something is wrong. Because your spiritual vibration and channel and aura has been tampered with. Maybe knowingly or unknowingly to you, but all is not well. So, for you to restore those things back, what you need to do, use sea salt. If you can get sea salt, better. If you cannot get sea salt, you get any natural salt. Yes, it's better than processed salt like those ones you are seeing in the market. But if you cannot see sea salt or natural salt, then you can use anyone. Then, man, however, if you need those sea salt, you let me know. You can get it for the temple. Now we have the purest honey, the purest of them all. Yes. Only in water pure honey. Pure honey is in my house. We don't use anything except pure honey. Pure honey is expensive, but pure honey, I mean pure, not those ones we are seeing that are selling any amount of money that is very dangerous to your health. Pure honey, that is what I'm using. Even if I want to take part, it's pure honey. Now, even if I want to use some certain spiritual rituals, use pure honey. So if you can get pure honey, we have it. If you can get it for your side. Pure honey, you put that sea salt, make declaration. It's for detoxification. Then you're using sea salt. If you can get alligator pepper for add, and the pure honey add. Idea. If you begin to bath this morning, night, between 30 days, in fact, let us 60 days, believe in me, your lost glory, your lost vision will be restored. If you're living with them, someone that restore a few days when they start using it. It's very important. So that you'll be able to cleanse yourself of negative aura that is chasing away your spiritual counterparts and associates. Yes, man, that one, you clean your environment. Oh, but and the boy, mother shot them, the moment they know be a big gun, or they be gun, which put everybody to bring into your house, in a house. Because when people to go around, we able to here. However, some of you, I understand, because of the environment where you are living, you will not be able to have where you can keep people outside your inside home. Now, I will advise you how you can be able to cleanse your house from time to time, at least once in a month. Very important. Go and look for Ogbuefi leaf, the one with the 5 leaves or 7 leaves, if you can get it, just a steam. Now use it to do spiritual work. And they make spiritual work, or they can do, but it's really. You have a lot of spiritual cleansing. Open your doors wide. If you can be doing it like last day of the month, better. Open your doors wide and your windows. You make the declaration that today you are wiping off, session off every negative vibration in this room. Start from one point to the another, just as if you are sweeping their ceiling to the door. Once you reach to the door point, that turn in and sweep away every negativity from darkness and negative vibration. Now use that leaves again, bring it down, as if you are sweeping your house line by line. But you will be doing this one in the air, above your chair or bed, line by line, till you get to the door point, that you are sweeping every negative vibrations out of your room. After that, now that Ogbuefi leaf, you can go and throw it. Next month you bring another one. But if you are living where you can't see Ogbuefi leaf, go and look for new broom. That new broom you can keep you messiah killing square for next month. You messiah, you have a pinch of salt. Drop a pinch of salt. You drop where 4 corners of your room after the cleansing. If you can get alligator pepper, use 4 seeds. We could be drop where 4 corners of your room. Meaning each room will get like 16, 4 each. So if you have multiple rooms, you have to do it in all the multiple rooms. If you do this thing I'm telling you, you see that those cobwebs you are experiencing in your room will stop. Those negative dreams, those negative things that you normally see yourself whenever you are this, that, everything tormenting you. But if you sleep in another person's house, as a person that cleans his own house or her house, you will no longer see those negative dreams. But whenever you sleep in your particular room, you notice this. Please cleanse your room. It's very important. It's very important that you always cleanse the inner you. You clean inner you by keeping your thought pure. You clean inner you by having positive vibration. Never you think evil against others. Always keep your thought pure. By so doing, you are cleaning your inner you, your inner vibration, the aura, your spiritual channel. Very important. Make sure you live a exemplary life. Your mind, your thought should not be corrupt by every time negative thinking. No. Never you wish other people evil, so that your thought will always be pure, your log will always be pure. Now, by so doing, you cleanse your inner you. After cleansing your inner you, then you clean your outside you. As equal. If you are cleansing the outer you and they are not cleaning up your inner you know, can they Pharisee and the Sadducee? Those people that Jesus mentioned about in the Bible, that they like to wash outer cup and the inside cup will be dirty. So I will advise you, for your own benefit, cleanse inner you and clean outside you. Inner you is your lifestyle, must be worthy of emulation. The outer you will order the finest of them all, up to 15 different items, leaves, herbs, and rest of them, and flowers, put together. Where would the women put that? In high ball in China, so Nancha, I will together. I make on. When you go in Chadeta, Nobu, a baby, Nime weekend, and what for the he jack again. More than even weekend where time, he jack name, go to chemical prepared. I name him here. Let me tell you what you don't know remains a message to you. Do you know, have you asked yourself, why is it that there were some certain flowers he gave when I beg at a particular time of the year? If you know that flower there is some sweet fragrance. Those sweet fragrance are if you na butterfly, incense, they frequent that flower. Have you asked yourself, what attracts those incense and flowers and butterfly? Is because of the aroma, the fragrance that is released to the universe. The same way, and what some certain fragrance can you see making happen or not attract that good spirits? Yes. Example, that is the purpose why you see there were some flower as incense in each teacher. And when you came with those incense in a water and cage based on the composition of the leaves, flowers, and what have you, it will make the incense. So more now that incense, you begin to attract them because they understand the fragrance. That is one of the reasons why when I was with Okadum, we have what we call frankincense. This frankincense the father they use. Now when I check mass, whenever they want to celebrate mass in the Catholic faith, what you notice is that now Jamas are at home for the living and for the dead. Now when celebrating mass, before mass will start properly, the Reverend Father will use the frankincense to walk around the altar. Yes. Why is doing so? He's doing so to repel negative spirits and to attract benevolent spirits, good spirits. So, one thing I love about Catholics is that no one can name ordinary. They recognize the culture of the founders, the Romans. So, in Igbo spirituality, that's why I go more than live. Sometimes we are more incense. Incense here depends on the mood. Now more each of them may attract. Each of them may repelling. And with so many African incense, so many things he use to repel every negative vibration, every negative spirit. Yes. So those things is what you will do. So make sure you on your own you'll be able to cleanse yourself. If you cannot be cleansing every day, make sure you cleanse yourself at least once in a week. To cleanse yourself once in a week, then we'll follow as thing with the kids here. We just want to 2 hours, simply. It was half years with that 2 hours. I'm more negative thing, negative essence. Now I'm a man over, and I'm a man. So 2 hours, 2 hours, go see the pill. Anything over like negativity. So just 1 2 hours, 2 hours. What's the one of like 300 to 400 naira? Put it inside pot. What that will be enough for you to have your bath. Put it there. Then use a pinch of salt. Add a pinch of salt. and add it to the 9. Then boil it for like 20 minutes, bring it down, put it in a bucket that you use to bath. Then wait for it to water to cool down. Then remove the scent leaf. You can have your bath with it. If you can be doing it at least once in a week, it will help you. Then it will help you also when you have sex with a stranger, somebody that is not your wife. Yes, because I can tell you, having indiscriminate sex with multiple partners will damage you. Because many people, sex is spiritual, and many people are going about with different types of energies. And when you dabble with this kind of people, it can damage you. Some of you will agree with me that some of you have experienced when you dabble with someone that you dated or have canal with, you begin to experience backwardness, you begin to experience setback, you begin to experience bad luck. People, you watch what promise that someone gave you that is always like sure bet. You watch them crumble. It happens to man, it happens to woman, for so many reasons. But today I want to address people that their own is caused by negative vibrations. And I'm here to advise you that you should not keep quiet. When you notice those negative vibrations, you do something. We are living in a competitive world where if your radiation is very mild and low, people that has dominant vibration can take a little to it that you even have. So what am I saying is that mind the type of people you mingle with, the people you wine and dine with, so that you will not attract negative vibration onto yourself. Those negative vibrations that will destroy you for good if you care not taking. So my advice is you should learn how to cleanse your inner self by living a good life, keeping good thoughts. Very important. Then also you learn how to cleanse your physical self. Also very important. And you learn how to cleanse your environment. Cleanliness is next to godliness. You must learn how to clean yourself. And for that reason, avoid mingling with anybody easily. Whining, dining, having sexual intercourse with the person, avoid it, because you do not want to turn them mad and not going to turn them mad by know the type of person to avoid challenges of life or complicated experiences. So what am I saying in essence is dreams, because whenever you are caught, your spiritual ability to perceive what is happening in the spiritual realm, knowingly or unknowingly, because that dreams and liberation is meant to be a warning signal. And when you are no longer receiving those dreams, those liberation, whether intuitively, whether it's via dream, whether it's via any form of getting astral or ethereal information, it means that you are caged. It means that you don't even know what is happening in the other device. And it will make things to happen to you directly without any form of protection. You know that if you are not cleansing your spiritual aura, sometimes benefit that's supposed to come your way can be sailed away from you. The man nwere ike ide ezigbo ori mmụọ maka nke ọzọ onye nwere ike ihe kwesịrị ịbịara gị. The atmosphere, wrong positioning might deprive you of such opportunity. When you have good positioning, and that good positioning brings luck. Even when you are sleeping, you might be, because you deserve it. Only I'm not know where they get that God things no balance. How can God bless this person even when eventually do nothing? No, the person did something. Sugarcane is not Father Christmas. The person did something by keeping his or her spiritual channel and aura alive. Is by keeping cleanness next to godliness. He kept everything clean. And that's why when the Spirit's blessings comes, he was found worthy. And such people normally benefit from other people's. What it should have been for others, he benefit them. People do call it unmerited favor. But it do happen. Those people normally have double portion because they will benefit from what is not originally theirs. And they still wait for their own turn to benefit from creation. Because they comport themselves very well. This thing I'm talking to you have happened to so many in real life. When you are not supposed to be the one, but where you will comport yourself, he favored you. Because he went prepared. And the only way you can prepare yourself by putting yourself make yourself likable, spiritual likable. So that when the spirit that then I goes in mad, yeah, and the person the blessing is meant for is no longer nowhere to be found, they will find you worthy to receive that blessing instead of going back with the blessing. So you will learn how to put yourself in the right perspective. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ, because of wearing by the time their blessing will be coming, they are nowhere to be found. Maybe they have lost hope. Maybe they have left the place where they're supposed to be. Maybe they have gone back to the world, thinking that by so when their blessing will come, they will be nowhere to be found. Good positioning is very important, and the only thing that will make good position to come to you is by doing this simple thing: be smart and always do the needful. We that play football, there is a position, a good positioning. And when somebody who a good position, when they keep a winger, when they keep left winger or right winger. But whenever there is build up from the midfield coming, you will see him running, positioning himself or herself very well, and you see him scoring a lot of goals. And sometimes some of the goals is not what actually he worked so tired of, so much for. It's just good positioning, and the ball will come and hit him on the leg and enter goal. Yes, on a normal, the midfielder, the defensive midfielder should have taken the ball, then and send it to the 10 who attacking midfielder. On the attacking midfielder, he work hand in hand with the supporting striker, which is 8. Then the top striker is the 9. Then the top striker is supposed to position himself to strike the goal. Yes, but when the top striker is well caged, you see the 7 entering, see 11 entering. Good positioning can even give you good opportunity. So learn how to get yourself prepared so that you will be worthy to receive blessings. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, you want us to do the consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837 I repeat, 0805 7837 Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi luo ya n'ihi na ọ masịrị ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke meworo m ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu oke pụrụ ime ihe be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie.